Good morning. This is Grey Wolf Week 7 spelling. I think just to prepare for this exam, I'm going to do a Grey Wolf howl. Howl! Howl! Let's hear your Grey Wolf howl. All right, number 1, collaborate. Let's collaborate with the other team on this project. Collaborate. Number 2, attribute. I attribute my success to hard work and getting up at 6:15. Attribute. Number 3, outside. The dogs are outside. Outside. Number 4, questionable. The topic is considered questionable. I could also say that my judgment is considered questionable early in the morning. Questionable. Number 5, consume. She will consume that entire pie for the contest. Num, 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 num. Consume. Number 6, nourish. The vitamins will nourish your body. Nourish. Number 7, semester. The semester will be over in the end of January. Semester. Number 8, cafeteria. The cafeteria is open all night now. Cafeteria. Number 9, community. The community of Spruceview has always been strong. Community. Number 10, substantial. There is substantial evidence against him. Substantial. Number 11, abbreviate. You should abbreviate that speech. Abbreviate. Number 12, extraordinary. Her piano skills are extraordinary. Extraordinary. Number 13, magnificent. The Statue of Liberty is magnificent. Number 14, compatible. The software is compatible with that computer only. Compatible. Number 15, rationale. Her rationale left everyone speechless. Rationale. Number 16, catastrophe. The dinner was a complete catastrophe. Mashed potatoes in the stew? No. Catastrophe. Number 17, engrossed. She was engrossed in her new novel. Engrossed. Number 18, immigrate. The family will immigrate to another country. Is that right? That sounds like emigrate. Immigrate. The family will immigrate to our country. That makes more sense. Immigrate. Number 19, hysterical. Hysterical? Hysterical? Hysterical. She was hysterical after hearing the bad news. Hysterical. Number 20, commendation. The student received a letter of commendation for her volunteer work. Commendation. And that is your list. Please don't share this video.